Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. It's a 23-foot boat, powered by a 150 horsepower Mercury engine. As you can see back here, a huge swim platform. 23-foot boat, as you can see, the back here is huge. Big extended swim platform. You got speakers in the back here, fully insulated cooler under this compartment here on the end with a drain. In the pictures you'll see how this can be set up where you can lay forward, you can lay it flat. Great setup. It's an all new redesign for the Solstice. JL audio sound system. You got lighted speakers, lighted cup holders, lights under the base of the seats. It's considered to be our single lounger layout. Charging ports in the front loungers. Again, great two-tone, diamond stitching. It's double stitched. This one comes with in-floor storage. Nice subwoofer. Here at the helm, got a Lawrence hook, the depth finder, JL audio head unit. You got a control here to control the music on the back swim platform. If you're at the sandbar, turn it up a little bit. If you don't want to blast your neighbors out, turn it down. Got a nice charging port and active trim. Again, all new Solstice 230 offered by Harris. And again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.